Do you always feel tired, even after sleeping? It's not just your sleep. Your brain may be keeping you exhausted. Stay with me, and you'll discover why and how to finally fix it. This is Noctivex Psychology. Have you ever caught yourself staring at your computer, unable to focus, even after your second cup of coffee? Do you cancel plans because you just don't have the energy? Or do you wonder why some people seem full of life while you're constantly running on empty? If you've asked yourself these questions, you're not imagining it. Feeling exhausted all the time isn't always about getting more sleep. Sometimes your brain is quietly working against you without you even realizing it. One hidden reason is something psychologists call cognitive overload. Your brain has a limited amount of mental energy each day. Every notification, decision, worry, and unfinished task uses a small piece of that energy. By the afternoon, your brain can become so overloaded that it responds by making you feel tired instead of alert. It's a protective response, encouraging you to slow down before you burn out. But here's where it gets really interesting. Many people mistake mental exhaustion for physical exhaustion. That's why resting on the couch doesn't always leave you feeling refreshed. Another overlooked factor is your brain's reward system. When every day feels repetitive, stressful, or disconnected from meaningful goals, motivation naturally drops. Motivation and energy influence each other. When motivation decreases, ordinary tasks require more mental effort, making you feel even more exhausted. Now, this might surprise you. Studies suggest that even anticipating enjoyable activities can boost alertness because your brain begins releasing chemicals linked to motivation and attention. Energy isn't only about sleep. It's also about how your brain predicts the value of what comes next. The first solution is to stop treating every task as equally important. Choose your 3 most important tasks every morning and finish the hardest one while your mental energy is highest. This reduces decision fatigue, the mental drain caused by making countless choices throughout the day. Once your brain sees meaningful progress, it becomes easier to stay engaged instead of feeling overwhelmed. Stay with me because the next insight changes everything. Break your work into 90-minute focus sessions followed by a real break. Research suggests our attention naturally rises and falls throughout the day. Instead of fighting that rhythm, work with it. During your break, stand up, stretch, walk outside, or simply look away from screens. This allows your brain to reset rather than continue processing information nonstop. Nutrition also plays a bigger role than many people realize. Large meals high in refined sugar can cause sharp changes in blood glucose, leaving some people feeling sluggish afterward. Eating balanced meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats can provide steadier energy throughout the day. Drinking enough water matters too, because even mild dehydration can reduce concentration and increase feelings of fatigue. But psychology reveals something most people never realize. Your inner dialogue affects your energy. If you constantly tell yourself, "I'm always tired," your brain begins expecting exhaustion before the day even unfolds. That doesn't mean fatigue is imaginary. It means your expectations influence how you notice and respond to your body's signals. Instead, ask yourself, what's one thing I can do to support my energy right now? That small shift encourages problem-solving instead of helplessness. Finally, don't ignore persistent fatigue that lasts for weeks despite healthy habits. Ongoing exhaustion can sometimes signal medical conditions, sleep disorders, nutritional deficiencies, or mental health concerns that deserve professional evaluation. Looking for answers isn't weakness. It's one of the smartest ways to protect your long-term health. So, Which daily habit do you think is stealing the most energy from your life without you noticing? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to read your comments and reply to them. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Noctivex Psychology for more videos about solving everyday life problems. Thanks for watching.